Hello, good morning to everyone. In previous class, we already learned what is algebra, what is variables, and how to add, subtract, division, and multiply. There are the four operations we can use on for making an expression. Okay, so suppose now I am taking some situation is given. Okay, only these are some just example. After this, we will start our exercise. So tell me, like this one, we will make expression. How will you make? Suppose in the first question is given, Danica has five more marbles than Ria. So there is the two friend, Danica and Ria. But in question is given, Danica has five more marbles than Ria. It means if Ria has two marbles, then Danica has how much? Five more than. More than whose? Ria. So 2 plus 5. So Danica has 7. If Ria is 3 marbles, then Danica has 5 more. So 3 plus 5, 8. If Danica is 10, if Ria has 10 marbles, then Danica has 15. But in the question is not given, dear, how many marbles has Ria. So in this case, what we will do? We will take a variable always. So we will let Ria has X marble. How many? X marble. You can take X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, and you can take. Yes, it means if Ria is X marble, then Danica is how much more? More mean plus. So X plus 5. So how many Danica? Expression is become. So these are the Danica marble. X plus 5. X plus 5. More than 5. Whose? Ria. Ria has how many marble? X. So X plus 5. Understand it? So this is called expression. Next is Sia is 4 years younger than Robertson. Robertson. Suppose Robert age is 10 years. So Sia age, because Sia is 4 years younger. Younger mean smaller. So it means 10 minus 4. How much? 6. Same as it is, but in the question we don't know how much age of Robert. So we write let Robert age is X, Y, Z, any number you can take. Suppose we are taking Y. If Robert age is 10, then see a 10 minus how much younger? 4. So 10 minus 4. Now Robert age is Y, how much younger? 4. So Y minus 4. Understand? It is one more expression. Next is Amit is twice. Twice mean beta 2 times, and times mean always multiply. Okay, Amit is twice as old as Wiener's son. So who is Amit is twice? It means Wiener's son age is if 10 years. So Amit age 2 times. 2 mean times mean multiply. So 2 into 10, 20. If Wiener age is 4 years, so Amit is 2 times. 2 into 4, 8. Same as it is, but we don't know Wiener's son age. So let Wiener age. How much? X. You can take X, Y, Z, any number. And if Wiener age is 10, so 10 into 2. If Wiener age is 4, so 2 into 4. Same as it is. If Wiener X age is X, then 2 multiply X. Because how much? Twice. 2 into X. So these are expressions. Like this one we will make expression in 11.4 exercise. Understand it? So question number 1, 11.4 exercise. Yes. Answer the following. In what is given, take Sarita present age to be Y years. So we'll write Sarita's present age How much we have to take in question? Age to be y years. How much? Y years. Y years mean variable. We don't know how much. Maybe 10, maybe 5, maybe 11, anything. Okay. So first question, beta, and its first part. What is? What will her age 5 years from now? From now mean after 5 years. How much old Sarita? So right, we will find Sarita's age after 5 years. How much? Tell me. It is very simple. Suppose today you are 12 years old. After 5 years, what is your age? 12 plus 5. Suppose any student is now 9 years old, and if I ask you what is age after 5 years, so 9 plus 5, 40. Same as it is. Present age, today age of the Sarita y, and after 5 years, today present age plus how much year? After how many years? So y plus 5. So it is your answer. Understand? So what is Sarita age after 5 years? Y plus his present age plus 5. Next is B part. What was her age 3 years back? So write Sarita's age 3 years back. Back mean dear before. Understand? Suppose today you are 10 years. So before 3 years, how much your age? So 10 minus 3, how much? It's 7 years old. If I ask you, today is your age is 12. What is your age before 3 years? So total present age and minus 3. How much? 9. Same as it is. What is present age of Sarita? Y, and 3 years back mean minus y minus 3. So it is the age of Sarita 3 years back. Understand? Next is Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. Understand? So right. So what is age of grandfather? So right. Age of grandfather. How much given? In the question is given 6 times. Yes, how many? 6 times of her age. Her mean Sarita's age. Times mean, dear, what I told you, multiply. So what is age of grandfather? 6 times of Sarita. Sarita is how much? Y. So how much age? 6 into y. 6 y. It is age of Sarita. Age of Sarita's grandfather. Understand? Now, fourth part. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. So fourth part. Age of grandmother. How much? It is given grandmother is 2 years younger than. 2 years younger than grandfather. Who's 2 years younger? Younger mean smaller. It's mean whose? Grandfather. What is grandfather? Age we already found. How much grandfather? 6 y. And how much younger? Younger. How much younger? 2 years. So 6y minus 2. Yes, same as it is. If I say you today you are 2 years younger than your brother. If your brother age is 12, so you are younger. How many? 2. So 12 minus 2 is 10. Same as it is. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. So grandfather age we already found in third part. 6y minus 2. It is very simple. Next, fifth part, dear. Now, fifth part. Fifth, Sarita's father age is 5 years more than 3 times of Sarita's age. What is her father age? To write age of Sarita's Sarita's father. What is given in the question? In the question is given Sarita's father age is 5 years. 5 years more than 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. How much given, dear? 5 years more. How much? 5 years more. More mean plus 5. More than whose? 3 times. 3 times whose? Of Sarita's age. Sarita age is y. So 5 more plus and 3 times 3 into y. So it is the Sarita's father age. 3y plus 5. Understand it? Very simple questions. Only you have to make expression. But only variable is given here. Okay? Variable. Now, first question, B part. B part. Very simple question, okay? You can do yourself. The length of a rectangular hole. It is a rectangular hole. Everyone know it is a rectangle. And rectangular hole, some is length, some is breadth. Yes, everyone know. The rectangular hole is length of, whose length? Length of rectangular hole 4 meter less than 3 times the breadth of the hole. So what is the length if the breadth is b meter? Breadth is b and we have to find length. To write breadth of rectangular hole. How much given, dear? B given in the question. So we have to find length. So length of rectangular hole. How much? How much given? Length is, the length of rectangular hole is 4 meters more than 4 meters less than 4 meter less than 3 times of breadth. Yes, how much length? So length of rectangular hole 4 meter less. Less mean minus 4. 4 meter less whose? 3 times. 3 times mean multiple. 3 times whose? Breadth. Breadth is b. So 3 into b and how much less? Minus 4. So 3b minus 4. It is your answer. So what is length? Length is 3 times of breadth minus 4. 4 less. Understand it? It is also simple. Understand it? Next is now. Now C part. A rectangular box has height h meter. It is like a box given whose length, breadth and height is given. Length, breadth and it is length, it is breadth and it is height given. Okay, it is given a rectangular box has height h centimeter. How many height? Height is h. Right? Height of rectangular box h centimeter. Then its length is 5 times of height and breadth is 10 centimeter of length. What is, express the length and breadth of the box in term of height. So we have to find length value, we have to find breadth value. But what is given? length is 5 times of height. So you will write length of rectangular box. How much given? 5 times of height. In the question is given or not? Because length is 5 times. Times mean multiply. 5 into. Of height is h. So how much? 5 into h. So it is length. Understand? 5h. Next is, we have to find breadth also. And breadth. So breadth of rectangular hole is how much? Rectangular hole is how much? Breadth is 10 centimeter less. 10 centimeter less than 10 centimeter less than length. So yes, breadth is how much? 10 centimeter less than length. Length is how much? 5h. And how many less? Minus 10. Because breadth is less than length. Length is 5h minus 10. It is your answer. Understand? Next part. D part. Meena, Beena, Leena are climbing the step to the hilltop. Here is Beena, here is Leena, here is Meena. They are climbing on a hill. Okay. It is given climbing step to hilltop. Meena is at step S. So write position of Meena. Position of Meena at S step. How many steps Meena has climbed? S step. Variable S. But in question is given Beena is 8 centimeter ahead. To write position of Beena's. Position of Beena's how much? Is 8 centimeter ahead. To write 8 step how many? Beena is 8 step ahead. 8 step ahead of Meena. How many ahead mean? In front, okay, in forward. How much? 8 step to whose? Of Meena. Of Meena is S and it is how much step ahead? S plus 8. Yes, because it is 8 step is ahead. Same as it is. We will find position of Leena's. Leena's position. What is given? Leena's position is 7 step behind. Right? 7 steps behind. What is given? How many steps? It is 7 centimeter behind. Behind to Meena's. To Meena. So 7 step behind to Meena. Meena is where? S step minus 7. So it is position of Leena's. Now the total number of steps. To write the total number of steps. How much total number of steps? Is 10 less than 4 times of what Meena has reached. 4 times of Meena's step. 4 times. 4 times of Meena. For Meena step S. 4 into S. And how much less? Minus 10. So it is the total step. All questions are very similar. Okay, many questions. So finish this one also. Next is last, a bus travel E part. A bus travel E part you will do yourself. Okay, it is similar question of this one. Okay, E part do yourself. Now question number 2. Question number 2, if you understand question number 1, you can do very easily. Change the following statement using expression. Change the following statement using expression into statement. Now in the question number 1, statement are given, we will making expression. Now expression is given, we have to make a statement. So first is a notebook cost how much rupees? P rupees. And a book cost 3p rupees. How much? So we have to write in statement. So what you can say that it's mean a notebook cost is p rupees, but cost of the book is p into 3 times, multiply mean times, 3 times of whose? 3 times p mean notebook, cost of a notebook. To write cost of book is 3 times of notebooks, of the notebooks cost. How many times? Because it is cost is p times, it is p, and it is how many times? 3p. If in question is it is given cost of book is 3 times of notebook, how will write? Let cost of notebook is p, then 3 into p. If it is x, so 3 into x. Understand? Very simple. Next is B part. B part is given. Tony puts Q marble on the table. Q marbles on the tables. How many marbles he put on table? Q. And he has 8Q marble in his box. Total, how many marble in his box? 8Q. So it means you can say that, what is answer? You can say that Tony has 8 times of marble on the tables. Understand? Because on the table is how many? Q, and in his box 8 multiply of how many table? How many marbles on it? Tables. So write Tony's box has 8 times marbles of 8 times marble of pots on a table. Pots on how many? It is do yourself. Okay, first and B part we already finished. Very simple. Next is one more. Which one? C part. Our school has n student. The school has 20 n student. Do yourself this one also. It is simple. It is same as it is. D part. Jaggu is Z year old. Jaggu is Z years old. Z years old. His uncle 4 Z years old. His uncle is 4Z years old, and next is given and his aunt is 4Z minus 3 years old. So we have to write in statement. Yes, what you can say that what is his uncle age? 4 into Z. It means 4 times of whose age? Of Jaggu age. So write Jaggu's uncle age is 4 times of Jaggu's age. Yes. And next, his aunt is 4Z minus 3. It means 4Z whose age? Uncle, and minus 3. Minus 3 means less or younger. You can say that Jaggu's aunt is how much younger? 3 years younger than whose? 4Z. 4Z whose is uncle? So is Jaggu's uncle. One more method you can write this one. What is? We can say that the aunt. What is the age of aunt? Aunt age is 3 years less than 4 times. 4 times whose? Of Jaggu's age. You can write this one also. Both are right. Understand it? I hope you understand it. Question number 1 and 2 you already understand, and try to question number 3 also. Okay, if you can do. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Have a good day.